In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop, use your Android phone as SMS or MMS gateway SAAS. Example of this kind of script is SMS gateway. Now let's look. These are some of the features. These are the payment gateway: PayPal, Visa, MasterCard. So those are the payment gateway. Now let's look at some of the other features as you are seeing it. Okay. Now please don't forget to use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the scripts, and don't forget to install the script. Kindly use the IAM link in the description to hire me to help you install your scripts. Next, I will go back to my cPanel then I go to my file manager. From my file manager, I will go to the subdomain I'll be using for this testing purpose. So this is the subdomain I'll be using for this testing purpose. Here is it. Now I've already uploaded my script, so next I'm going to extract it. Extract files. I've extracted the file successfully, so I click on close. Let me open the extracted file. Then I'm going to select all the documents as in the folder and the files in it. Then move them to the root folder. I click on move files. Next I click on back. Now let me copy my domain. Open a new tab, paste it there, then click on enter. Then I will click on next. Installation of SMS gateway. Okay, let me say admin. Let me see admin at email.com or admin at example.com. Localhost, yes. Now I will go back to my cPanel. I will go back to my cPanel to create my database. So let me go back to my cPanel. Now go to databases, manage my databases. So let me name my database as SMS gateway DB. Gateway DB, okay. So I click on create database. That database created successfully, so I click on go back after creating my database. Then next I'm going to create the user. Let me scroll down to create my user. Yes, user. Then next I click on create user. I've created the user successfully. I click on go back after creating my database and my user. Then next I'm going to add the user to the database. So let me scroll down so that I can add the user to the database. Yes, I will select the one I just created. Here is it, SMS gateway DB. Yes, I click on add. Yes, I'm going to give up privileges to the other. to the user. Scroll down to make changes. Now success. So let me copy my username, copy database name, that's it, username, that's it. Next, I'm going to fill this, then click on install. So next, I'm going to close this. So this success, your installation has been completed successfully. I can just click on sign in now. So here I will sign in. Let me go back to my yes. Okay. Here I use admin@example.com. This is what I use. Then I click on sign in. Yes, as you can see, I've successfully installed it. Here's my dashboard. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. To install your script, please kindly use the link in the description.